all, we need cookies to make it.
We need cookies. Okay, so these are the cookies, the sizes of the cookies that we need. We need 2 pieces of the back and the front.
And also,
we need the sides.
Yeah, sides.
Yes.
And also we need
and
frosting.
we also need, wait, the roof, okay?
Yeah.
Mama will post a recipe. Frosting. Yes, we need frosting. What else, Keona? Can you tell us?
Also we
wait,
need...
let your sister talk. What else do we need? What is that?
M&M's.
Candy.
We need all the candies. And also that.
M&M's. Keona.
And also gummy worms.
Keona's kind. No fighting, guys. Gummy worms. Okay, they want to decorate their gingerbread house with gummy worms. And of course, we colored the royal icing in different colors. So now, they will assemble. You guys ready?
Yes. Yes.
Super ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this.
First, we need a cake board.
Of course, that's where we will assemble our gingerbread house, okay?
Yes. First, put this.
The front. Alright, what we're going to do is we're going to put
and then here's
frosting. Hold on. We're going to stick it together. We will use royal icing as the glue. So, I will put royal icing here on the side. Okay. I have to squeeze it because it's a little hard for the kids to squeeze. And then, where's the sides?
Yeah.
The smaller one is the side. Okay, let's stick it here and then Kuya will stick on the other side. I think this is a roof, Keona. Let me see. Okay, so that's like the glue. Wait, hold on.
Yes, it's like a glue.
Yes. Now we will put some more on the other side.
Yes.
Let Kuya put the other side, Keona.
Wait.
Hold on. Kuya, don't touch that. You have to wait for it to dry. That's the rooftop. As you can see, we put glue on the side. You have to be careful.
Yeah, you will have to be careful.
You have to make sure it dries up. So let Kuya do the other side.
I need to do the other side. Okay, I'm ready.
Okay. Alright. We have to hold it. We have to make sure. Can you hold that side, Kuya? Hold this side, Keona. Okay, I'm gonna put some more royal icing to make sure it sticks. Make sure it doesn't move, Kuya. You have to make sure it sticks. Wait, hold on, Keona.
And then here's the rooftop. Rooftop!
No, you have to get this other side.
Here's the rooftop.
No, this side, the back.
Back.
So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna put more royal icing here.
Let me.
Hold on. You will both help. Okay? Just have to wait for it to dry. You're getting a close-up on the frosting, baby? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Hold on. I'll let you press it. I'm gonna put it here. And now press. Together.
Mama, it's on the side.
Did we make a mistake? We made a mistake. We made a mistake.
Yeah.
We put the roof on the side. No wonder it wasn't balanced. So when you guys do this, make sure the pieces with the same size are all together. Okay? So good thing it hasn't dried up yet.
Yeah.
So we can still. Okay, you have to re-cement it, re-glue the sides.
One pooper dough.
What?
Funny, Keona.
Okay, so we have to make sure this time. Alright.
So we have this candy
Okay,
still. We don't have
Press
this
together.
pretty bowl.
Okay, there you go. And what I'm gonna do is add more royal icing on the sides to
And
reinforce
also
it.
we need it.
That's for the decoration.
Yeah, this is the decoration. And we need these candies for the decoration too. I need the M&M's, 2 M&M's. And then we have to do the rooftop.
Hold on 1 second. We'll do the rooftop later when this is dry. Not the rooftop yet. You guys can start putting M&M's on the side.
Okay.
Over here.
What side? This?
This side. I'll put some over there so you can put there. Let your sister put here, over here. You can stick it. Stick some on the cement.
Okay.
Go. That's right, Keona. Just press a little harder. Go. You can put all over the white stuff.
Where did mine fall?
No, it won't. Go. Okay, this is Keona and Ian's gingerbread house. There you go.
Excuse me.
What color door do you want?
Any door.
What about Keona? Do you want
Oh, white.
white? We're running out of white. Maybe blue.
Okay.
I mean green, red, or yellow. Keona, what do you want?
Green.
Red. Okay,
Yeah,
we'll
red.
do a half red, half green door.
Oh yeah.
Okay, but you guys can still decorate it with the baby M&Ms. Okay. We have some toothpicks here because royal icing is really hard, so
Tiny
sometimes
M&Ms
it
here.
gets stuck.
I want gummy here and tiny M&Ms on the other side.
Okay.
Oh
you
yeah,
can do that. It's a good idea.
And we have to put so much glue here so we can stick it.
Okay. Keona wants a red door, so we're doing a half red, half green door.
Half red, half green door. Here we go. It's looking so nice now.
It is.
And then we have to put. And then just.
Then you guys can put M&Ms
Wait,
again.
wait.
Baby M&Ms. You wanna put yellow somewhere? Go ahead. Let's squeeze like this, Kuya.
No, I know.
Go.
Wait, a dot. Don't forget that.
For
For the handle go out.
the doorknob. Okay. Oh yeah. Can't have a door without a doorknob.
I'll make some on the other side.
You want to make another door there? You want to make the back door?
So,
No?
I should make a window.
You want to make a window?
Yeah.
You need my help?
Just here and here.
You want me to make it for you and then you can decorate it with the baby M&Ms?
Yeah. Like this.
Yes, okay. Has to be super sturdy.
Yeah.
So I put a lot of royal icing. What's this called? Royal icing. What's it called, Keona? Oh, icing. Okay, put a lot, Kuya. Squeeze.
Why?
A little harder. Okay, now we will add more royal icing. You have to make sure, mommies, daddies, kids that are going to try this at home, that you put a generous amount of royal icing because cookies are little. Okay guys, hold on. I'm already excited they're decorating the roof.
I'm putting on the toilet.
Yeah, hold on. One second. Make sure you don't move the roof yet because it's not dry yet, okay?
Could you put it on yours?
Wait, it moved. Hold on, guys. Wow, we have a roof now. Keona? What did you do?
Small.
It's small. Okay, guys. That's your gingerbread house. Let's see. We'll put this in here. This is a fun. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
You like making this?
Yeah.
Yes. You can decorate the sides.
Stay here. Stay here. Stay there. There. Stay there. Sad.
I think it's drying up, Keona. You might need to put more frosting.
Yeah.
Wow. What a nice house, guys.
Thank you.
It's so colorful. You guys want to make more houses like that?
Yeah.
Okay. Are we done?
No.
No.
Still gummy.
Gummy, okay. You have an M&M gummy
Warm.
gingerbread house.
Guys, we're going to show you our decoration. So our gingerbread house. Thank you. Thank you for watching. And also, comment down below. It's right.
Comment down below and subscribe.
And here's our gingerbread house.
Okay, Kuya. Nice.
Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh shoot!
It's okay.
That's our gingerbread house.
Okay, thanks
You
for
eat
watching.
it, Keona!
Thanks for eating, Keona. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye, guys.
Bye. If you want to make a gingerbread house, you can order from the Lollicake Factory.
Yes, we will be selling kits in the Lollicake Factory. You guys can call 0999-777-4443 and just ask for Ian and Keona's gingerbread house kit. They're perfect for Christmas, an activity for Christmas Eve with your kids. Bye, guys.
Bye. Thank you for watching. Now we're going to eat this.